Alright, today I'm going to show you guys how to actually get a high quality version of someone's profile picture on Discord. So to start out with, we're going to click on someone's profile. I've chosen a developer here so I don't use anyone without their permission, and the developers don't really care. I'm wasting time. Let's get on with it. So we have their profile here. It's actually even a GIF. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and hit ctrl+c, and I believe this works in the browser as well, but I'm using the desktop client, and this will go ahead and open the inspect window. Now it looks a little bit complicated if you're a power user, maybe not, but it's not really that hard if you just know what to do. So go ahead and click on this, which will let you select an element of the page, and click on their profile picture here. This should pop up here, and it'll give you a little link here with their profile picture. It should be, if it'll let me click on it, right here. So you're going to go ahead and copy it from quote to quote. We're going to hit Ctrl+C so we can go ahead and copy that. And we're going to go ahead and go over to our internet browser here, and you can see I've already done the math, but we're going to go ahead and open that. And the image looks kind of small, and that's not very good. And what I've noticed is that this part right here determines what the size of the display is, and it's in binary. So if we actually go ahead and take this and multiply it by 16, because that's how binary can work, you don't have to worry about it, but I found that this can be the highest size. If you guys find a higher one, let me know. I'll go ahead and put it in the description. But we're going to go ahead and paste that over what it was, and it should give you the highest quality version of that image. So if you wanted to go ahead and, let's go ahead and go to our desktop here. If you want to go ahead and drag that onto your desktop, you will now have the highest quality version of someone's profile picture. So there you go. That's all you need to know. It's pretty easy, I think, and I found it to be very useful recently. And since this is anime, we're going to go ahead and put it right where it belongs, and that'll be the end of the video.